Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Today's video is all about e-commerce. So, let's start with understanding what is e-commerce and what is an e-commerce website. The term e-commerce simply means the sale of goods or services on the internet. E-commerce or electronic commerce refers to a business model that involves sales transaction being done on the web. Virtually every online shopping website, big or small, follows this structure. Any site where you can obtain items for sale over the internet is considered as an e-commerce website. E-commerce is the activity of electronically buying or selling of products on online services all over the internet. E-commerce draws on technologies such as mobile commerce, electronic funds transfer, supply chain management, internet marketing, online transaction processing, electronic data interchange, and inventory management systems. It is a revolution in modern businesses world as all the activities of buying or selling of products and services are happening through online using internet. It is a platform which gives growth and pace to your business. The increase of using smartphones and internet making it possible for e-commerce business to grab the opportunity of more profit. That is why e-commerce industries are giving a tough competition to offline businesses and many businesses are switching to online marketing also to stretch the benefits by grabbing the online customers. E-commerce markets are growing at a noticeable rate. It allows customers to overcome geographical barriers and allows them to purchase anything from anywhere. Now, let's understand the features in e-commerce website. All websites are unique in their own way. We have seen trends in e-commerce website design like animation, 360-degree product previews, advanced setting, advanced filtering and dynamic product search. However, there are some more points to be kept in mind. Here is a list of must-have features that attract online shoppers. Number 1. User-friendly. Simplicity should be a goal in good design and you don't have to sacrifice elegance to achieve it. Focus on the user experience by providing shopping categories, filters and comparison capabilities. Just keep in mind that e-commerce sites should be a competitive advantage instead of troublesome experience. Number 2. Mobile-friendly sites. Creating a mobile-friendly experience for your shoppers will improve sale and potentially your rankings. Number 3. High-resolution photos and videos. Gone are the days of posting one photo with few bullet points and price tag. Now, shoppers and customers want to see multiple angles and people using the product in different environments. They want to be able to zoom in to get the feel of the product. E-commerce websites should display multiple photos of the product. The photos need to be high resolution and optimized for page load. Number 4. User-generated reviews. Shoppers read reviews. About 95% of them, in fact, and 57% of customers will only use a business if it has 4 or more stars. Number 5. Wish lists. Oh, how I love wish list. One for fashion, one for books to read, one for holiday gift ideas. Shop, save and share. E-commerce sites that aren't using wish lists are leaving revenue on the virtual desktop table. Number 6. Related items. Simply seeing the phrase "you might like this" causes a serotonin release signaling curiosity and excitement. A related items feature on e-commerce site creates the desirable stickiness effect that so many marketers strive to achieve. Apart from these, having a column of frequently asked questions, advanced payment options, detailed shipping information, and return policy would really attract the customer and increase the chances of him buying the product. Now, let's understand how e-commerce sites will help you grow your business. E-commerce allows ease of communication through electronic channels, and sellers can track the buying habits of customers to let them know of sales and promotions that might be useful to them. It provides increased customer reach. Also, there are no time restrictions. Have you heard the expression "make money while you sleep"? An e-commerce website is open 24/7, meaning there are no restrictions on when people can shop for and purchase your products, whether it is middle of the day or middle of the night. How nice would it be to wake up in the morning with money in your inbox? Now the question arises, which is the best e-commerce website design and development company? So my answer is Quality Zone Infotech. Let me tell you why. Quality Zone Infotech is a leading service provider of e-commerce web development, online marketing, and web services with many years of experience on e-commerce website designing and development. It has successfully satisfied the foreign clients with immense experience in web serving. Quality Zone Infotech always works on the latest technology. Their project is with high security and mobile responsive. The websites can handle huge traffic and uses high-level codes for front-end and back-end development, which is done by a team of best website developer and website designer. Customized coded sites are considered to be more secure, expandable, lightweight, and always easy to manage. It delivers some features like mobile responsive and SEO friendly e-commerce website, add to cart feature, shopping cart, payment gateway, and to generate online sales they provide. Quality Zone Infotech provides all the services regarding e-commerce business at affordable prices. Either your business is small or it is corporate. Quality Zone Infotech holds the esteem proud to provide the clients best web services they can ever get. The feedback they get from the clients are heartwarming, and support team is always ready to solve any website related issues. After checking the issue, tech team coordinates with developers and merge the problem as soon as possible. Now, let's discuss about the e-commerce website development plans in Quality Zone Infotech. So, Quality Zone Infotech offers best plans for e-commerce website design and development. We develop fully customized unique websites for our clients, and we have 400 plus happy clients who give us business. The package provided by us include a basic package, a starter package, an economy package, and a business package. For further details of the packages and everything, you can visit our website Quality Zone Infotech. That's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.